racks. I count 6 shit. Bustin' at the bando. A nigga jury real metal like a candle. Riches to a feature with tip. I went from smart.
Hi guys, we're going to jump straight into this. I'm using the Kana eyebrow pencil in the color brown black, and it's from the hair store. And if you see my eyebrow tutorial or any of my videos, you know I use dip brow, so I just want to try something new. And my eyebrows came out fine, so I will definitely be using this for now on. Okay, now I'm about to conceal under my eyebrows. I'm using this flat brush, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer in the color Toffee. Now I'm using Fit Me foundation in my color to conceal the top of my eyebrows in the color 356 Warm Coconut. I go back over the bottom with the same foundation as well, so I don't get the halo effect on my eyebrows.
30 hertz straight up.
Now I use Warm Sand, which is a couple shades, a lot of shades lighter than me, just so my eyeshadow will pop more. Now I get another flat brush just to blend it out. So I got these new brushes. I'll tell you where in another video that I'm going to be trying out. Now I go into my Morphe palette, the 25A Copper Spice, and I use Oasis for a transition color. Then I go in with the color right next to it, version, for my crease.
30 hertz straight up.
Then I go in with another flat brush and go back with my LA Pro Concealer and warm sand to do a soft cut crease. First, I used Sand Dollar, but then it didn't show up how I wanted it to, so I went back over it with Overcast. So now I'm just going back in with Oasis to just bring the colors back.
30 hertz straight up.
Then I just took the color Destination and put it on my outer corner. Now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I just line my eyes with NYX That's the Point Hella Fine eyeliner. But I wouldn't really recommend this if you're not that good at eyeliner like me. So, yeah. Now I'm deciding which lashes to wear. If you want to know where my lashes are from, I order most of them from AliExpress. Now I'm going in with my foundation color in Warm Coconut.
30 hertz straight up.
Now I go in with my concealer in Instant Age Rewind in the color 10. Now I'm going back again with Warm Sand just so I can get a brighter under eye. This is optional, you don't have to do this. I go in with my MAC palette. It has correctors in it, contour shades, and concealers.
Straight up.
Now I use my Sasha Buttercup to bake. I already sprayed my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and now I'm lining my lips. And I already went in under my eyes with the NYX eyeliner. Now I'm using this lip gloss you can find at any beauty supply store to top it off. And that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Bye.